Guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. China launches new aircraft carrier. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for elite insights on defense, war, jets, missiles, submarines, and geopolitics. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. China has officially commissioned its latest aircraft carrier, marking a major leap in its quest to rival the United States Navy for maritime dominance. The new carrier, believed to be the Type 003 Fujian, features an advanced electromagnetic catapult launch system, modern radar, and expanded deck space capable of supporting a wide range of aircraft, from fighter jets to surveillance drones. This milestone underscores Beijing's determination to transform the People's Liberation Army Navy (PLAN) into a blue water force capable of sustained global operations. With Fujian now entering service, China stands closer than ever to matching US naval projection capabilities in the Indo-Pacific. Analysts suggest the carrier's entry comes amid intensifying military competition and a broader push to both powers to assert influence across the South China Sea and beyond. The Fujian's deployment highlights China's growing technological self-reliance and its ambitions to challenge American maritime supremacy through innovation and sheer fleet expansion. Source: Reuters, The War Zone, Global Times.